So if you're a blogger or a dropshipper or affiliate marketer, I bet when you started in your respective field, you must have done the research in finding a right niche. As I know, it is always the learning curve when you're trying to find the profitable niches. So I, in this video, done the work for you, went on and find all the profitable niches out there in 2021 which have a very low competition, and if you plan it smartly and target these, you will going to have results in your favor. So having said that, let me start this video. I have break it down, and the way I done the research, just for your information, I have gathered all this information through Google Trends as in my analysis. So you get a good picture why these niches are the good in their respective field which you should target. And the tool, SEO tool, which I used to validate my findings is Ahrefs. So I'm going to share you the screenshots which I have researched and find this information along with the top 5. So let's kick on this video and we move on to our first niche, which is at number 5, pet products. So as you can see guys, in the graph of the last 5 years at Google Trends, pet products are always in the demand, as you can imagine if you have seen it previously. And there is a subtle consistency all over in the category of pet products, which is a good thing, right? At the end of the day, you need a consistency if you are choosing this niche as your target to achieve the results which you are after. And with respect to pet products, I have taken an example of a pet feeder, and if you look at Ahrefs overview for pet feeder, have a look of the keyword difficulty, which is very important. If you're a blogger, you must know that it's a medium difficulty, which is mean it is not hard to rank your blog. And look at the CPC, it's 1.3, which is excellent, right? So you're going to get a good results. And the volume is going upward at the moment for pet feeder. So this is just an example, right? So you can target different products related to pet. And if you're a dropshipper, you can dropship and have a look in pet category. I know it's a very competitive field, but it's still, there is a room for you as a dropshipper. You can target pet products, and pet feeder is a very good example. Have a look if you can find a dropshipping products regarding pet feeder or related to this. Keep your eye open for pet products. There's always a room in it. And if you are an affiliate marketer, you know Amazon has a great range of pet products, so you should have a look into it. At number 4, we have smart home. I went through and had a look for the Google trend at smart home, and as you can see, it is just going up and up in Google Trends, which is excellent, right? So people are looking more and more, searching more and more, and Google is picking that trend up as well in their charts. So if you are going to target if you are targeting and trying to research a new niche, smart home should be in your list. The products which I picked it up for you, number 1 is smart curtains. Have a look, smart curtains. Smart curtains difficulty is 17, and as you can see, it says you need only 19 backlink to get in top 10 in Google search, which is amazing result if you can imagine. So smart curtain is just an indication for you, and look at the CPC as well. As a blogger, 1.30 is excellent, and global volume of search volume is going up and up. Have a look all the other different smart products out there, as there is a lot of room in home smart appliances like smart curtain you're looking into. At number 3, we have home sports. And home sports trend, as you can imagine, due to COVID, has picked it up recently a lot. And it is going up towards in 2021 as well. So if you are targeting as a dropshipper, home sport equipment things should be in your top 3 list, I must say. And as an affiliate marketer, again, as I said, Amazon is an excellent product. There are a lot of big ranges available for you in home and sports. I have shortlisted few products for you, like portable basketball hop. And look at the volume, 17,000 search volumes at a CPC of 1.2, excellent for blogging. Difficulty is medium, which is not that hard to achieve to get into top 10 searches for the Google research. And this product, due to COVID, has picked it up a lot in last year. Have a look, guys. Portable basketball hop. It's a very good suggestion. Next in my list is Yoga Ball. A Yoga Ball also, as you can see, a very good volume of 12K with a CPC of 0.8, and the difficulty is just insane, only 18. So it is very easy to rank it for top 10. And if you're a dropshipper or a blogger, you know that you need to get in Google search at top 10. If you can, then it is very easy to you get the commissions or Google AdSense income if you're targeting. Another item which is picking up very good is badminton set, again due to COVID. I can bet that, because a lot of people are spending, as you can imagine, a lot of time at their home. So they cannot go outside. So all these home related stuff is picked it up. And as a result, we are seeing this upward trend. But the difficulty, keyword difficulty is not there. So it's a very good open window for you to target this and make a case about your dropshipping or your blogging or affiliation, whatever you're trying at the moment. So have a look at badminton, and home is a very good field. Number 2 is eco-friendly product, guys. Eco-friendly product, again, as you can see, the trend is up and up and up from 2015 to 2020. It is almost hitting 100% few times as well. People are looking for eco-friendly products, and the example which I picked it up like are biodegradable water bottles. As you can see, it's very easy to rank for this. Volumes is just starting to gather up. So if you target this, you only need 10 backlinks to get in Google top 10 for biodegradable degradable water bottles. Another one is biodegradable solid paper. Similarly, look at the volume. It's double than water bottles, and CPC is amazing with easy of 7, right? You don't need to do much to get in top 10. And the third one is trash bag as well. Similarly, very good volume with a high CPC, easy to keyword difficulty is easy, and searches are picking up. So this is kind of a niche. If you target now within a 3 or 4 months, you will see the result straight away. As in any of the fields which I'm highlighting again and again, you can have results very quickly. So action on it, this guys. And the number 1 is solar power. As you can see, solar power has been consistent throughout, and it is ranging in 75 to 100% throughout. As you can see, it is up and up and up. It's not going down. It's not going to go down. People are looking for solar power products all the time. And the products which I picked it up, like solar backpack, if you can see it, easy to rank with a very decent value and CPC. And you can target this right now. There are a lot of dropshipping item. I can imagine if you look into, you will find a lot of solar backpack. Dropshippers, have a look. Try to get this, as well as Amazon affiliates. Another product is power bank. Again, not a hard difficulty, just 20 with a volume of 13K, guys, and higher CPC, almost $1. So bloggers also can target this. And another one is solar air conditioning, which is, again, it's a very difficult. I can see the range is up, but look at the CPC, insane, guys. 4.5, amazing, right? So all these products which I just shared with you are very good ideas, product niches which you should be targeting in 2021. I hope this quick and fast video which I try to make, I throw a lot of information towards you. If you want to rewatch it, note down the information as I gathered it information and spent a lot of time collecting all these important niches for you, which you need to target if you're a blogger, if you are a drop shipper, or you have an affiliate marketer. As niche finding is the paramount step, as I speak and told you in my previous episode as well in this series. Guys, please subscribe to my channel as I am dropping these videos regularly, as my aim is 6 videos. As I said, if you subscribe to my channel, I'm going to provide you, I'm going to cover and do all the case studies and research for you, and you just need to follow me and utilize this information as well. Just don't watch me, take an action. As I said in my previous video, this is episode 8. We are wrapping up as fast as I can. As you can imagine, I don't want to waste your time, but I want to see results. Please put your feedbacks and comments. What do you think of this video? And have any question, then don't hesitate to ask. I will be happy to do research on your behalf if you're looking or confused with any of the things. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.